Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video I am going to share how we Montessori at home and also discuss the aim of magnetic and non-magnetic activity. It is one of the shelf activities from our Montessori inspired homeschool setup for my son Ram, who is 2.5 years old. If you haven't watched Montessori homeschool setup tour video, I have updated links in the description box below. Please do check it out. Alright friends, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Sonia. I'm passionate about finding ways to help children explore life to its fullest potential. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I make videos on activities for kids science experiments, healthy lifestyle, parenting tips and many more. Alright friends, without much further ado, let's get started. I'm going to do magnetic and non-magnetic, okay? This is a magnet, Rama.
Yes.
Now you are a scientist. You need to do experiment.
Okay.
Let us check this. Is it magnetic or non-magnetic? Let us think. Is it magnetic or non-magnetic? It's a magnetic.
Yes, magnetic.
Alright friends, the main aim of this activity is to introduce the concept of attraction to a magnet. Remember friends, at this stage it is very important for your children to enjoy what they are doing. We need not teach them definitions or complex formulas, but we just need to provide them opportunities to explore and have fun. Is it magnetic?
Yes. Yes.
Does it go here or here?
Here.
Here. Ram absolutely loves doing this activity. It's magnetic, huh? Non-magnetic, huh?
No.
Non.
Yes.
All done.
All done.
Also, the main objective of this activity is to stimulate the child's interest and to get him to ask questions. Let's put them back.
Now bucket is good, man.
Yeah. Put them back.
Boing.
Boing. चिपकती नहीं? Land. Very nice. Clean up. Yes. All done, Rama. Let's put this back on the shelf.
Mommy.
Landing. Very nice. Okay. Put it. Okay. This is the last. पकड़ ले.
Easy peasy.
नहीं तिकडे जा.
Over here.
There, over there.
No.
No, Rama. Thank you. Rama, where does this go? Here or here?
Here.
Okay, put it there.
This is no magnet.
Non-magnet. What is this?
Magnet.
These are magnets.
And this.
Alright friends, I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.